Hi, I'm Mark and this is American Audio Co. and our YouTube channel. Now I've got an unboxing for you today and it's down there. And it's big and it's heavy. So, knife at the ready, and always remember, towards your buddy, not your body. And I'll get the box open and we'll get the sub out and take a look at it. This is your first impressions of what I think. There won't be any testing. It's either very late or it's very early, depending where you are in the world. You get a power lead. That's very simple. You get a large black grill. That's big. Well, I'm not a small chap, I'm 6'5", and my bass driver is as big as my head. 12-inch driver, dual ports, so it's suited for larger rooms, get that air moving, and like the smaller sealed baby brother, it's got a 325 watt amp. See the depth of the cabinet, that's got to be a good 18 inches deep. In old money, what I do, so I'll bring in close-up cam. You've got speaker binding posts. This enables you to, if you've only got stereo amp, you can run from your main left and right to here, then from here onto your speakers. And it will take a small part of that signal, use the amplification inside, boost it up to a usable setting, and you can then configure it. You've also got your LFE or stereo left and right input and output. If you've got a stereo system and you're using a pre-power situation, you can go from the preamp into here. So you've got choices there. You can run high level and you've got low level sub input or left and right input. Now on the back, the controls are volume up and down. You've also got an auto standby button, and what this does is you can select for it to click on and off automatically, or you can have it on permanently. You've got a phase, that's that one there. Depending on your acoustic situation in your house or your room, you may need to alter the phase, and I'm going to be doing a video on that and the best way of doing it, and how to get the most dis from the hostess. You've then got your low pass section, which is basically setting the crossover from 120 Hertz down. I'll always recommend, I tell everyone, start at 80. There's many brainy people that worked out from 80 Hertz down, the human ear can't detect from what direction bass is coming from. But generally, when you get to 80 Hertz, you can't hear from where it's coming from. And also included is a very powerful DSP engine. So if you use your phone, whether it's Apple or Android, you can download the app, and I'm going to be bringing a picture of the app up here, and that allows you to control the phase, the volume, a boundary gain compensation, which is very important if you're putting this in a corner or up against a wall, and that will dramatically reduce the loading that putting a sub in a corner or along a boundary will actually introduce. Once you've engaged that, then go to your AV amp and then run the auto setup. That means the EQing within the AVR doesn't have to work quite so hard, and you also have 3 parametric EQs that you can set in this. But personally, I recommend you do that after you've done the EQing on your AVR. So what I'll do is I'll put up here best order to do it, and then you can fiddle around with the fine adjustments and the presets to really hone in and get the sound you're looking for. The finish is the same as the SVS it's a really, really high quality real fake wood, and for the price it's absolutely fantastic. I mean, it's very, very well built. I know it's going to sound good. It's going to give you that deep punch, but porta cabinets work better in larger rooms. But they do go a bit deeper, so it's a bit of a trade-off. Or really, the best solution is you have one of each, and then you start getting into multiple subs and tuning, and I'm going to do a whole video about that later on in the future. Well, that's my first look and unboxing of this behemoth, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to the channel, that'd be great. And if you want to pop along to the website, that'd be awesome as well. And that's americanaudioco.uk. And we've got loads of stuff on there. Subs, speakers, amps, wires, everything you need for your audio needs. Take care. See you soon. Cheers.